Hi everyone, and welcome to one of the first videos that is going to be on the new channel. And we haven't even decided on a name yet. We're actually filming this before launching the channel, but it'll be something along the lines of Sheepman's Adventures. So we're here today to do some pike fishing and some roach and perch fishing. So what we're going to be doing is getting set up right now, and we're going to get fishing as soon as we can because we've only got 4 hours to fish today. So guys, I've got this kind of heavier rod here set up with a little simple dead bait rig. So I'm going to throw that out for the pike. Then I'm going to set up my little spin rod with a spinner. Do a little bit of spinning before I put that on the bait for the sort of smaller fish. I'm fishing with Michael, my cousin as well. He's got a wee float rig up. And what are you setting up in your other rod?
A wee jig for catching perch.
So there we go. I've also got a little light spinning rod. I'm gonna go for the wee fish, put a wee bait line on this later and go for the wee fish, but I thought I'd start by giving a bit of lure fishing, bit of a shot.
I've got to say, what's it like in the water?
Maybe a bit fast. Michael's got a fish on.
It's a wee baby perch.
Little perch.
Wee baby.
Look at that. First fish of the day. That's after losing two.
Yep.
Storm's out. Out and about. On the chain because there's other people around. Got all the... What are you doing, Stormy? Storm's got herself tangled up. Go sort it in a second. What do you like? Good girl. So guys, I think it's time for a little change of tactics. I'm gonna set up this on a little float rig right now. So I'm gonna do a little bubble float sort of rig with a little weight on it because I haven't got much kit with me today. And I'll probably reposition the dead bait as well. Got a net for you. Got them right wrapped up anyway.
Aye, treat.
Guys, that's my first fish of the day. A little jack pike. Let's put him back. There he goes. Little jack pike on the dead bait. So there we go, first fish of the day. Little pike on the dead bait while I was setting up this rod. So I'm still setting up this rod. I've got to get a new bait on that and get it out. Got Kate there, little jack pike. That was Michael's first time in the camera, so I'll probably have to do a bit of editing to make it work right. But there you go, no bad, just a wee jack pike, but a fish is a fish. There we go guys, got the bubble float out there. And the dead bait out there. What are you doing, Kiki? Let Echo out. Are you fishing, Echo? You got your rods in the water? Before, just got to play it well.
That's it.
Since catching that pike, guys, it's been a wee bit quiet, but that's what fishing's about. Call it fishing, not catching.
Got on the dead bait.
He thinks he's gonna catch. That's 1 for 1, but he's lost 2, so he's cooked 2 and lost 2. Caught 1. I've just caught 1 on the dead bait. but that's what we're here for. I've not caught a pike in 8 years, so that's my first pike in 8 years. Mike's trying a different spot on the swim bait. He's got his little float rod set up, and then he's also got the other rod lure fishing, bit of swim bait fishing. That's what he hooked a pike on earlier, but it dropped. Been out here fishing for a little while with the dogs now, guys. I've had one pike. Michael's had a perch on the float rod, and he's dropped a couple as well. Dogs have been behaving themselves, just having them out one at a time. Vans with the side doors open, so that the dogs aren't getting too hot. There are quite a few folk about, so I've decided to just keep the one dog on this side of the peg. Got quite a big chain. The chain's all the way around there, even though Echo keeps managing to tangle it up.
I think I've got a really lazy fish or a load of weed. It's really heavy.
So guys, that's a freshwater clam, and they live in this loch.
Oops.
So that freshwater clam, you see the water coming out of it, was living here in the bottom and took that hook. Look at that. Go guys, Michael just caught a clam on rod and reel. Imagine that. That's the third time my floats just went. So it's staying kind of quiet for the last little bit. Not much going on, but we've got about a little over half an hour, maybe about 40 minutes left to fish. Then we have to head in, so let's see if we can't get one last fish.
Let's do it.
We're one right now, so
Does mine even count?
one of those empty clam shells, of those freshwater clams. It was just snagged on Michael's rod, but I'm going to take that home. That's really cool. Look at that thing. Absolutely huge.
I'm getting bites.
Oh, aye. Aye.
If he wants it, I'll come back then. See here, Charlotte. He was there eating some rackets.
You fishing, Kate? Kate? You fishing? You caught any fish yet? You caught any fish yet? No? No fish for Kate? Kate? You doing? You fishing? Come on in. Come on in. Sit. Sit. Lie down. Right guys, last 15 minutes. We've got Lucky Kate on the peg. You gonna bring the luck, Kate?
Robin wants to come in from now.
Freshwater clam. You can see a bit of the whatever
Tongue.
sticking out. Oh, it's gone. It's seen us. It's us guys. No more fish are biting. Well, Michael had a hit on the dead bait. Took it and dropped it again. But other than that, that is it. We are picking up and we're getting ready to go home. So it's 1-1. Even though one was a bit bigger than the other.
Right.
So guys, that's us heading off, and that is how you leave a fishing spot. Nice and clean. See that? Don't be leaving your stuff out on fishing spots. Make sure you clean up afterwards. Like nobody was ever here.